In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Shopify checkout page. We'll walk through where to find the checkout settings in your admin, what each area controls, and how to make clean, on-brand updates that improve the customer experience. First, sign into your Shopify admin. You'll land on the main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and settings. For a smoother time updating visuals, it helps to have your logo file and brand colors handy, but you can always add them later. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the admin and click Settings. Think of settings as the control center for your store's rules, policies, payments, and presentation. Everything related to checkout behavior and its look and feel is organized here so you don't have to jump around. Now click Checkout. This is the page that governs how your checkout works and looks. Depending on your plan, you'll see options grouped into sections for customer information, order processing, tipping, accounts, marketing consent, and branding. If you don't see a particular option, that's normal, availability can vary. But the essentials are always here. Let's customize the checkout fields and appearance. Start with customer information. Choose whether phone number is optional or required. Decide if you want to collect company name or address line too, and keep the form as short as possible for better conversion. Under accounts, pick whether customers can check out as guests or are encouraged to create accounts. Requiring accounts can add friction. So many stores allow guest checkout while offering account creation after purchase. If tipping is relevant to your business, enable it and set thoughtful default amounts. For marketing, review the email or SMS consent checkbox text so it's clear and compliant with your region's rules. Under order processing, check how abandoned checkouts, address auto completion, and order status notifications are handled. Clear communication here reduces support questions. For appearance, add your logo, set your brand colors, and choose fonts that match your storefront. Aim for strong color contrast to keep the text readable, especially on buttons and error messages. If you're using images, keep file sizes modest so the checkout loads quickly. Throughout, prioritize clarity. Concise labels, familiar field names, and straightforward error messages help customers move through smoothly. When you're happy with your choices, click Save to apply changes. Wait for the confirmation message so you know everything is stored. You can revisit this page anytime to refine your settings as you learn what your customers respond to. With that, you've successfully edited your Shopify checkout page, clean, on brand, and optimized for a better buying experience.